Has Brexit really turned the world on its head? Perhaps we didn't realise, or maybe forgot, that the forces of change had already got going. Brexit feels grim, but the world was already a grim place. Think of it this way. If the UK had in fact voted Remain, would it have been a euphoric moment? No chance. Market attention would have quickly got back onto stagnant global growth, the distant prospects of US interest rate rises, worries about China and a stalling US economy, as evidenced by first quarter GDP revisions. Brexit or Remain, we were always going to be in a whirlwind of zero or negative interest rates and talking about rate cuts and further monetary easing. Even if Remain had prevailed, the pound was heading downwards. It would have hung around the $1.50 level it enjoyed before the first referendum results came in, but not for long. Analysts were already wondering if sterling was too expensive, and equity values were out of kilter with their profit streams. And the UK's chronic current account deficit is now a big investor worry. That would still be the case if Remain had won. Brexit has indeed worsened the climate for businesses, but it's hard to believe they were champing at the bit and ready to reinvest, just waiting for Remain to get over the line. They had already become worried about wider global economic forces well beyond Brexit. Now they and the market must get to grips with the nuances of politics, and not before time. Questions about society's imbalances, such as how and why too few individuals have too much of a share of global profits, cannot be addressed by politicians alone. Brexit makes it harder to address these questions, particularly in the UK, now choosing to go it alone. But Europe may take Brexit as a cue for greater unity and reform. Brexit has not altered the need for change, only speeded it up.